To begin our box form origami, we need a piece of paper, a pencil, scissors, and maybe glue. You don't necessarily need the glue, but it helps. Now we need to make this rectangle into a square, so we're going to grab the bottom right corner and bring it up so that the bottom of the paper matches perfectly with the top. Once it's lined up, we are going to fold and create a nice crispy crease. I'm going to use my pencil and trace that fold and cut this piece off. This little rectangle that we're cutting off you do not need, so you can go ahead and remove it. Toss it in the trash or save it for something else. So we have one fold going diagonally. Now we need to fold the opposite direction. I'm going to bring the top right corner to the bottom left and create another crease. You should have something that looks like an X when you open it up. Now we're going to fold the paper from bottom to top. And one more time, the opposite side. Let's go and take a look at that. You can see it's symmetrical. Now think of each square as a separate section. We are going to take the corner and fold it into the center for each one of these squares. Now remember, you can always pause this video and re-watch some of these steps if I'm moving too quickly. Once you are ready, we're going to turn this over, and before you start this step, just watch. We're going to try to create 3 equal folds. So what I'm going to do first is just bend the paper over. I'm not creating a crease yet. And then I'm going to try to see if I can get the top to fold back over and match up evenly. Kind of looks like a burrito. But once I'm happy with it, I can then press down and create the fold. We're going to need to do it one more time. So if you want to watch that again, hold on just a second. You can watch me do it one more time if you're confused. Making sure those creases are nice and firm. Let's go and open it up. I'm going to need to turn it over one more time. And then I'm just bending the pieces of paper, kind of guessing how far I should go. And it's really the top one that really finishes it for you, making 3 equal folds. You're finished, you're going to go ahead and open it up and completely unfold the top and bottom. Now we need to take the right section and fold that inwards. And it should be pretty easy because most of that is already folded the direction you need it to go. Go and put that back and then fold the left side. We're just manipulating the paper to make sure it folds the way we want to go when we start creating this square form or this box. Alright, now this is a tricky part. Go and watch closely. I'm going to grab the 2 corners, one corner on the side, on the left side. I'm going to fold that inwards. Once you get it, you'll notice that the paper kind of just goes along with it. This is where we start really making the form. Grab the corner, pull it inwards, fold it in. You can start to see how this is going to start making a box. Now let's take the top triangle and fold it down so it just points down. This is the lid of the box. I'm going to go to the opposite side and do the exact same thing that I had just done before. Take those corners, fold them in, they overlap. And then now I'm going to fold this one all the way down, creating a crease at the lip of the box. And now you can start to see how this actually creates a cube form or a box, something you can carry your jewelry in or your pencils, whatever you want to use it for. Now you can see that because I'm using thick paper, it doesn't really want to hold right there on the back. So I'm going to add a little bit of glue to both sides and hold it tight for just a minute. That'll help my box stay together. I hope you have enjoyed the box form origami. Enjoy your fall break. Have a good time with your family and friends. This origami is due the Monday we come back from fall break. Take care, everybody.